Brilliant. Good boy. Hey there lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing really well. This video is a super realistic, relaxed morning routine at home for me and my boys. Clint has already left for work super early, so it's just me and the kids, and this is during the school holidays, so it resembles what a weekend or school holiday morning might look like for us. So this is about 6:30 a.m. Me and my toddler Cooper are going to go downstairs. Our kitten, I don't dress my kitten in clothes, by the way. She's had surgery, which is why she's wearing this weird little suit. But we like to say good morning to her, and then I'm going to get some milk for my 2-year-old. He loves warm milk still in the morning. Shortly after, my eldest wakes up and he wants to go on his iPad. During the school holidays or weekends, I don't really have restrictions with screen time or iPads like I do during the school days, so I'm perfectly happy for him to sit there for a while early this morning and play with his iPad. I also need to feed the cat, so I'm just going to do that quickly, and the boys are just having a bit of cozy time on the sofa together. Cooper has just asked me to put on Yakety, which is his favourite cartoon at the moment. I'm going to set him up some toys to play with this morning and put Yakety on the background for him to watch as he's playing. My eldest has just also asked for a cup of milk, so I'm going to make him one as well. Okay, this is going to look nuts, but last night I put some vinegar around the rim of my toilet to get rid of some, as you can see, horrible hard water limescale. I leave it on overnight sometimes to get rid of those horrible marks that you can get on a toilet bowl, and I need to take it off so that the boys can use the toilet. But that is all done. I'm going to wash my hands and start to do a bit of tidying up here in the kitchen. There's just a bit of clutter and mess from yesterday, and I cannot relax and enjoy my morning coffee until this is out of sight. So I'm just going to have a quick tidy up. Then finally, I can reward myself with my morning coffee. I'm going to make myself a caramel latte this morning to enjoy on this lazy morning. I'm going to sit on the sofa with my boys, get under a blanket, and just enjoy my coffee. Oh! Leo's trying to teach me something about Minecraft that I don't understand, and Cooper is happy playing with his baby, and it's all just very chilled and relaxed. That's better? Oh, okay, that's better. I just had to show you what our kitten Penny does whenever Leo is playing on his iPad. She literally loves watching him and watching what he gets up to. It's the funniest thing. Breakfast time now, and my toddler is making sure that I'm on it. I'm going to get the toaster out. The boys have requested toast for one and a bagel with Marmite for another, so that's exactly what they're going to get. My toddler loves just plain toast, and my eldest loves a bit of Marmite. So yeah, not the world's most exciting breakfast, but they will eat all of it, and it's what they've asked for. I'm going to cut up an apple for each of them as well, a little bit of brioche for my toddler as well because he loves those, and a vitamin for my eldest as well. I'm going to sit them down on the dining table. I'm going to put something on that they can both watch. I think we decided on Horrid Henry this morning, and they're both going to sit together and have their breakfast. While they're sat together enjoying that, I'm quickly just going to tidy up the mess from breakfast. Going to put everything away. I'm going to turn on the dishwasher eventually, and I'm going to just really quickly wipe down the sides. Literally just going to spend 2 minutes doing this, but I'll just feel better if I just quickly do it. My eldest is finished, so he's going to put away his plate and tidy up because he is just such a good boy. And I'm going to finally have some breakfast. I'm going to have some Special K. I'm going to sit with my toddler who is still munching away, and we're going to have our breakfast together. Oh my goodness. Leo has asked me to help him with something on his Switch on the Mario game that he's finding tricky, so I've said that I'll sit for a few minutes and just help him with this, and of course Cooper wants to come and join in as well. Leo loves getting me to sit and play this game with him if I have the time, and obviously this is a relaxed morning, so I'm happy to do it. Okay, time is getting on a bit now, so time to go upstairs and wake up the house, as I say. That means opening all the curtains and making all the beds. I'm going to go through all the bedrooms, open up all of the curtains, let the light in, and make all of our beds. I'm then going to get myself ready before I get the boys ready. I'm going to quickly brush my teeth, do a little bit of skincare. Obviously, my toddler is close behind me wanting to get involved. Brush Goopy's teeth in a minute. I'm going to throw on a really quick and easy outfit. I'm not going to wear any makeup today. Honestly, I'm not really bothered. We're just seeing friends in the park. Don't really care if I've got makeup on. I'm going to choose some clothes for the boys to wear as well to the park. Going to make sure that the boys have brushed their teeth. Obviously, my eldest can do his own teeth perfectly well, but my toddler still needs a lot of assistance brushing his teeth. He's not the biggest fan of it. Leo's doing it. Leo.
Oh, you are doing this back teeth.
Of course I am.
No.
Okay, now that we are all dressed and ready, I wanted to do my son's reading and spellings before we head out for the day. So we're just going to sit for 10 minutes, do a little bit of reading together, and do his spellings that he's been practicing as well before we head out of the door.
What was it again?
Good. Brilliant. Good boy. I'm just going to pack up a bag for our outing today. We are spending... Oh, I'm having a smoothie. Forgot that. Yeah, I'm trying to have a smoothie a day at the moment. But after that, I'm going to pack up our bag for our day out. We're heading to the park and we're going to get a Nando's with our friends as well. So there's a few different things I need. Just need to think about what I've got, make sure I've got everything. And then before you know it, it is time to put on shoes and coats and head out the door to spend the day outside after a lazy but relaxed morning. I hope you enjoyed my realistic morning and the fact that I'm trying to keep it real and be as honest as I can with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.